Hey, what's up? Uber 757 here. All Uber and Lyft drivers go to heaven. Alright, today I changed my auto insurance company that I deal with. I had Farmers, great company, great insurance agent, nice lady. Won't call her name, but she's a nice lady. But the bottom line is, I was paying about $160 a month. Today I switched to Geico, and I'm only paying $95 and some change a month. And my deductible is the same. I have towing included, and a couple of things I didn't have with Farmers. Now, Geico isn't paying me for this. I'm not getting any hookups or perks for this. I'm just putting this out there to say, hey, if you have another insurance company, you may want to look back into Geico, because for years I used to make a joke saying, yeah, I saved hundreds of dollars on my auto insurance by not switching to Geico. And at that time, it was true. I wasn't saving any money. I wasn't, no benefit at that time. But in this case, it's not the case. And the insurance I got is awesome in that when you have normal insurance and you're driving as a rideshare driver, Uber and Lyft have their insurance to help cover you in case something happens or your insurance says, no, we're not going to cover you. But the thing is, a lot of insurance companies, you find out from doing this, they may or may not cover you. If they find out you got to an accident, incident, and you were doing rideshare. They'll be like, oh, rideshare, well, yeah, we're not going to cover you. And of course, in that case, that's why Uber has their insurance, and that's why Lyft has their insurance. But I think Lyft is at about $2,500 deductible, and I think Uber is at about $1,000 or $1,500 deductible, something like that, whatever. Which is good. You have that insurance, but none of us has $2.5 grand or whatever just floating around. At least I know I don't. Because if I had that, I wouldn't have to get my vehicle, get a personal loan to get my transmission fixed. So basically, I got TNC, basically a rideshare insurance. It covers me like a normal insurance policy does, but it also fills that gap for when I am driving rideshare. I don't have to worry about that no more. And it's for such a great price per month. I want to put this out there for other Uber and Lyft drivers so that you are better covered in the unlikely, but still, try to be prepared event that something happens when you're out here doing rideshare. So, yeah. And the amount of money I save per month is basically almost 2.5 of my vehicle's car payments per month, which will be great because with, again, the cataract thing from last year, for those that know me, while someone that I know was kind enough to pay for it for me, there were still other costs involved with that I had to pay for. Then, of course, my main job being dead slow this time of the year, which is normal, but still. And then, of course, the transmission going out when I really needed to drive rideshare and going out at one of the best nights we've had in 2017 so far to drive rideshare. It's been really challenging this year, money-wise. I will overcome it, but it's going to be a challenge. But this is going to make that challenge so much easier because, again, this is almost 2.5 car payments worth of money I'm going to be saving every year. So look into Geico. Again, like I said, I used to joke. I saved hundreds of dollars on my auto insurance by not switching to Geico because it was true at one time. And the same thing with USAA and other companies. But a friend of mine said, hey, look into Geico. I'm like, man, but she said, look into Geico. I said, okay. And yesterday when I called Geico, had some trouble getting through, and I wasn't impressed, and I was like, man, I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to call my old agent. But I was like, no, you need to save some money. So I went and did it, and no issue. Within 15 minutes, pretty much, from the time I got through to an actual person, which actually was pretty quick today, I was insured through Geico within 15 minutes, policy number and everything. Money paid down, good to go. Um, so look into Geico, my friends. But specifically, tell them that you're looking for a policy for rideshare drivers to make sure that that potential gap that's there if something happens, that you're covered. Because again, your normal insurer may not cover you, and the insurance that the rideshare companies give you could be up to a $2,500 deductible, as opposed to the $500 deductible that I'll have to do, which is the same as my deductibles been for years with my other company I used to be with. So look into it. But anyway, I figured I'd share that with you. Geico has a specific insurance policy for rideshare drivers. Contact them. Unfortunately, you're not paying me to do this, but part of my channel is to share useful information with you to help make you a better rideshare driver, and also get some of your feedback too, because I don't know everything. Anyway, Uber 757. I still feel very weak, but a lot better than I was. And I'm hoping that by this afternoon my body will be like ready to go. And then I'll hopefully drive some rideshare a little bit this weekend. But anyway, from Virginia Beach, Uber 757. All Uber and Lyft drivers go to heaven. Like, comment. I'm not an insurance professional, so you'll have to call these companies to find out. But like, comment, and subscribe. And call your insurance company. Ask them about rideshare. If they don't know, you might want to look into calling Geico. And again, I've said this is going to save me 2.5 vehicle payments worth of money a year, which will help get me closer to my ultimate goal of not owing anybody shit. Uber 757.